Africa Lifestyle Exhibition presents Shadi Squad Show. Today, tomorrow and day after tomorrow at Apucho Bhai Gallery. जो विजिट गाइस लॉट्स ऑफ कलेक्शन मिलेगा रिलेटेड टू वेडिंग कलेक्शन. आपको यहाँ पे कश्मीरी ज्वेलरी, वेडिंग कलेक्शन, एथनिक वेयर, वेस्टर्न वेयर, लखनवी, लॉट्स ऑफ वैरायटी आपको ज्वेलरी को देखने को मिलेगी. और कलेक्शन देखने के लिए करिए आप स्वाइप लेफ्ट.
Name is Anupriya and our brand name is Anu Clothing. So today we have came up with this beautiful wedding collection. So we have option in 3-piece suit set, these tissue suit set with lot of handwork here. Then we have beautiful 2-piece sets. We have option in Indo-Western styles, something in poncho style as well. Apart from this, we have options in Mal Chanderi suit set as well, and we have lot of collections over there.
Yes, so you will find more beautiful colors and design options over here. And then we do have beautiful jewelry collection for this wedding season. Look at this, we have got beautiful earrings like what she is wearing, something like bangles and Kara fusion. If you need something in long earrings, we have got beautiful options available here. We got some chokers, we have got some kundan jewelry as well. Look at this minimal pieces. If you need, we have got beautiful bangle options available.
Hello everyone, I am Pooja from brand Rang Revas, and here I am featuring some festive collections.
Beautiful dupatta. Amazing.
Shirt, plain dupattas coming with plazo. Something in mirror work.
Beautiful.
Prints like this.
Wow.
Fusion prints for evening wears. Mal Chanderi.
Amazing.
Some main pinks.
Okay. And we do have this kind of sharara, something in 3-piece suits. If you need something in Mal Chanderi tissue, we have got options here. You can see the more options are available here. And then we do have all of white collection. You can see we have got some.
Hello everyone, my brand name is Western Roots. These type of cord sets I have. Plus sizes में भी cord sets मिल जाएंगे. Look at this printed में, which I wear the. This is my brand. Set के one piece आपको मिल जाएंगे like this. कफ्तान में like this. Shirt style आपको मिल जाएंगे. L size के अंदर double XL like this. Shirts आपको patterns में मिल जाएंगी. कुछ फैंसी में मिल जाएंगी. एम्ब्रॉयडरीज के साथ में मिल जाएंगे आपको. क्रॉप्स ऑल्सो आई हैव लाइक दिस. प्लस साइजेस में अपने पास में है कलेक्शन. प्लस साइजेस में टिल 5XL तक अपने पास में कलेक्शन है लाइक दिस. आप देख सकते हैं लॉट्स ऑफ कलेक्शन इन प्लस साइजेस 4XL 5XL तक. एंड दिस इज द होल सेक्शन इज अ डिस्काउंट सेक्शन टिल 500 to 1500 लाइक दिस. This is only for 500.
So if you need something in Indo-Western or something in 3-piece suits with the beautiful work, we have got options here for you. Something in red and something in cooler tone if you need with this kind of printed dupatta. And if you want something with this kind of beautiful work, we have got options. We have got options in kaftans as well, top and bottom. And look at the beautiful piece with the pitch white theme. We have got more color options and designs available. And now moving to the beautiful wedding jewelry. If you need something in pearl, something in dual tone,
We have in heavy as well.
wow, you can look at this bridal sets if you need.
Some good option in Hasi as well.
Yes.
You can see Monzo pieces as well.
Yes, we have got monzonite
The
sets.
mother of pearl collection.
Yeah.
This is delicate South Indian collection. You can see there's more of some delicate kind. You can see this
Wow.
starts from 1000 rupees range.
And beautiful brass and ceramic jewelry. We also call it Korean jewelry. Look at the pieces. The collection starts from just 599 and it ends before 2999. And yes, we have got some beautiful karas as well. And a beautiful statement and tarnish earrings if you need for any party or some routine. Look at this beautiful studs. We have got very huge collection of studs, something in different colors. If you need some statement pieces, something in pearl or something on long bow style. We have got beautiful collection. Look at that. Amazing. And then we do have, as always, pre-loved bottom wear collection at flat 500 and 600. We have got wedding portlies as well. We have got more options available in that. And we have got some shirts, printed shirts at flat prices of 500, 600. We have got that got. Look at some beautiful Korean jewelry if you need. They are anti-tarnish, and if you need something for kids, we have got options, very cute and very minimal. And now coming to the wedding collection, if you need something in this kind of choker or long bikinis, we have got options here. Look at this, we have got bangles as well. And we have got some minimal neck pieces as well for this wedding season. Look at this. કંઈક કડામાં તમારા ઓપ્શન્સ જોતા હોય અથવા તો બેંગલ્સના ઓપ્શન જોતા હોય તો એના બી ઓપ્શન્સ અવેલેબલ છે. And now moving to another section of jewelry where you will find some beautiful Kashmiri earrings. Look at the collection they have got some monsoonite diamond collection as well. If you need for haldi, mehndi, reception, sangeet parties, we have got this kind of jewelry as well. They have got beautiful bracelet collection. So you can see, if you want some beautiful red kurta sets, we have got something in cooler tones if you need with the nice embroidery. And we have got options in mal, chanderi, cotton. You can see something in tissue if you want some sharara. We have got this kind of three-piece suit, something in angrakha, and we have got some silk corsets as well. We have got cotton collections, some beautiful routine wear if you need some thread work, mirror work and hand work kurta sets. We have got options in that. And then we do have mukwas, our old time favorite. If you need something in seeds, the variety of mukwas is available. If you need imli, amla, roasted chana or some different varieties, mouth fresheners, we have got here. Look at this. Now we are coming to the Lucknowi collection where you will find some beautiful kurtis of Lucknowi chikankari, something in printed, something in ombre, something in straight fit. And if you need some all white collection, we will get it here. Those are dyeable ones. We have got some bottom wear as well. Plazos of Lucknowi. We have got short tops.
सेट कुर्ती पैंट सेट
Yes. We have got full set options available. Yes.
और कुर्ती पैंट शर्ट का वाइट में ऑप्शन है.
Exactly. We have got some spaghetti options as well if you need. We have got all the beautiful collection of Lucknowi, the huge collection you can see. And something in all white collection that you can get dyed.